Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to write a bio on Bumble. I'm simply gonna open up the Bumble application right here. Let's click on it. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. From here, let's simply go to profile. Right here's my profile. Now what I want to do to add a bio is simply go to my profile settings. Here's my profile picture, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Let's simply click on edit profile. Once you're on the profile settings, simply scroll down. Let's keep on scrolling down and you'll see something like bio right here. Just below it, there's a text box where you can write a bio. Simply type whatever you wish. And once everything's okay, simply hit on the tick button at the top right. And guys, there you go. That's how you add a bio on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.